front of me is Google Pixel 9a, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Go into Tab menu and edit it. To do that, click on this little pen at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down, look for Caffeine shortcut and add it to your current ones by holding it, dragging it to the top, and placing it wherever you want to. Click at the top left corner and tap on your new shortcut to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!